Blackwood for Whyalla. Racing the sprint car up there. So second night, you know, should be a bit of fun.
Camera shy truck driver.
Joel's already here.
Joel. Hi.
101. My second official race meeting, I guess. So up at Whyalla, it's actually the 360 title. So they invite the 410s up as well. So.
Congratulations, you just checked out and you looked comfortable. That was the main thing, you were very comfortable inside the car.
Yeah, surprisingly pretty comfortable in one of these. Second race meeting out, so a bit of a cool experience. A lot different to the cup cars for sure, so yeah, we're taking to it well and learning heaps.
I think I said before that about 5 years ago I said you'd end up in a sprint car. You said, no, I'm going to go circuit racing. Well, you're back here in a sprint car, you're winning heat races. It's as good as it gets.
Yeah, remember back when you were commentating dirt carts at Angus, so yeah, you've been trying to get me in one of these for a while. It was bound to happen, so here we are. Congratulations,
Max. Well done. It was fun to watch you drive win the heat race there. How about it, Whyalla? Max Vidau, winner of heat race number 4.
I didn't know where anyone was behind me, so I was just hammered down the whole time and see where I end up. So.